2024 Hyundai Tucson. With less than 23,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll also love how it combines comfort and convenience with its automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, panoramic roof, moonroof. Stop by the showroom for a test drive.